Hey, what is good, guys? Today I'm gonna show how to make like HYPERPOP beats for Wikipedia. And so let's go. I got me a plug, and effect wise I put a delay on it, some reverb, and a cue, and that's a melody. Then I got me lead, effect wise I put just some reverb on it and a cue. Then I got me a synth, I put halftone on it, put it to like 43 on mixing, and this is really inspired by another tutorial, but I don't know the name right now, but yeah. Then I got me another plug. There's another plug, but it's lead. And I put delay on it, some reverb, a bit crusher. Then I got me another synth. On this one I put some reverb, a chorus, and a flanger. Yeah. And that's what like makes this beat out, is some vocals. I got them from Somatics and just put them to slices so I could cut them up, you know. And on the vocals I put compression, some delay, some reverb, and a cue. Then I got me 808, Flacco 808. And I made a second pattern with the same 808 for like the verse. Then I got me like this black 808. Then I got me a 2-step hi-hat. Then I got me a clap. Then a snare. And then I got me an open hat. Yeah, that's it. Subscribe, join Discord, hit me up on IG for beats or collabs. And so let's go.